Traders and investors, in this video, I'll provide you with technical analysis for a stock called Palantir Technologies. For those who don't know what Palantir Technology is, let me explain. Palantir is a company that builds software to help governments, businesses combine and analyze data to make better decisions. As we speak, they have massive contracts with these government organizations, including other private companies global. For example, they have contracts with the Department of Defense, CIA, FBI, the NHS English, including the military, intelligence, and large enterprise clients globally. As we speak, wherever you are, they probably signed a deal with your government as we speak. Why? Because the government need this to be able to monitor people, whatever that they're doing, including crime and all these things, right? If you want to understand how this company works, you'll be shocked. Watch the movie called The War of the Worlds. Ice Cube is a main character. He's literally operating inside the Palantir workstation. Literally, that's the Palantir workstation. Go watch that movie. You'll understand what Palantir is. It's crazy. I'm telling you. It's literally crazy. So let me not waste time. Let's dive in straight to the charts and see what the market has for us. Okay, what you're looking at is Palantir 3 months time frame. As you can see, this asset has been extremely bullish since 2023, right there when it was still at $5, right? You can see now the major high at $207. Right, this is a 3,949% move. That's crazy. That's insane. Right now, let's look at the market structure and see what happened. You can see that around this level here, it gave us a break of structure around the $45 level. And after breaking the structure, it couldn't revert back, right? Usually it was supposed to come back, retrace and pump up. But if there's high momentum, stocks don't really respect technical analysis. You need to remember that, right? If there's like huge demand, they won't respect technical analysis. Now let's go to the 1 month time frame. As you can see here on the 1 month time frame, we have a rejection here towards this monthly support. You can see currently the market printed a beautiful pin bar. Right, although it hasn't closed yet, there's like 8 days remaining for the current monthly candle to close to tell us that yes, the buyers have stepped in to push the market further up. So right now, this is a good time to buy. Why? If you guys are paying attention on the previous candlesticks here, let me zoom in. Right, look at this. These two candles here, the bearish one and the bullish one, you can see these two candlesticks here. The previous two candles, look at the body. This body is indicating what? That buyers are stepping in. It's telling you that this is a beautiful harami. If you guys know harami candlesticks, candlestick pattern, this is harami, right? The second thing, we have the current monthly candle indicating that yes, we are stepping in. You can see it came back down, wiped liquidity below this level here, and it left that long shadow. And we have this body above the structure here telling us that yes, buyers are indeed ready, and for sure we'll see the market pumping. So this is the right zone. If you guys want to buy Palantir, this is the right time. Come on, it's April. You know what happens in April. So now let's look at the weekly time frame. Look on the weekly time frame. This is a beautiful double bottom, right? Look at this. We have the first low here. Then we have a second low. It's a beautiful double bottom, Then our second confirmation on the weekly time frame, we're looking at the previous weekly candle. It closed as a bullish candle. Hence why you can see the current weekly candle, it's reacting in this manner, telling you that buyers has indeed stepped in. It wants to push up, right? Now we anticipate to see a change of character towards this point of interest, right? You can see this is the level where buyers and sellers are meeting, right? Once the market is above the structure here, then obviously you know what's about to happen, right? We're about to see something like this, retrace for sure and pump up. Do you understand? This will definitely make sense if it actually does exactly what you are looking at here. So this is pretty simple and straightforward. Let's navigate towards the daily time frame. and see what's going on. Look, here on the daily time frame, the good thing is that you are able to draw your trend line, right? Once you get a breakout from that trend line, then it's telling you that buyers has indeed stepped in, right? It's basically a second confirmation, not even a second confirmation, because we already have many confirmation. There also be like a fourth or fifth confirmation, right? Indicating that buyers have stepped in if it manages to break out of this resistant trend line. Breakout also manages to be above this point of interest, retrace the point of interest, boom, you got. The daily time frame price section makes more sense because you can see all the touches, right? Look at these touches here of this point of interest. You can see we have this first touch here, we have the second touch around this level here, then we have our let's look at the third touch around this level here, because you can see it rejected there. Then we have the fourth touch here at this level. Guys, come on, we have many touches. You can see when the market is below this structure here, sellers are in charge. When the market is above, buyers are in charge. So now we're anticipating to see a drop. A breakout, then give us a retracement. Then this is where you take another buy. If it gives us a pullback, that retracement that we need immediately after breaking above this point of interest. Do you understand? This analysis is straightforward. There's no confusion. I can't go to the smaller time frame. Why? Because if I'm using long-term time frames like your 3 months, 1 month to analyze, doing my top-down analysis, there's no reason for me to go to the 4-hour. Why? Because the 4-hour literally accommodates the daily and the weekly time frame. Yes, probably the monthly day and day, but I can't use the 4-hour. If you want to enter the trades, use the daily candlesticks. So that means you need a little bit of something in your trading account in order to trade the stock. If not, you can literally, invest. Guys, you know what Palantir is? This is a very important stock. And if you don't really understand fully, you can just do your own research, but I'll try get some time and create AI generated videos for fundamentals. If you guys notice on this channel, I've got AI generated fundamental videos with my face in it, right? Just to make it more unique, more proper, because guys, AI is taking over. For example, Palantir also integrated AI in their system. Almost every company is doing the same. So even me as a trader, I need to adapt to use AI in my platform in order to simplify my work so that it's not really hectic. You can see if I have AI generating fundamentals for me using my face, it saves me a lot of time, because now I need to go research, do this and do that, instead of just having AI construct everything for me at once, right? But I'll just try and get some time in order to do that. But for now, I'm still trading, guys. Stocks are ready, everything is on point. I have many other stock opportunities that that I've been shared on YouTube, and others obviously I've taken some buy trades already. The market is already up because I told you guys, if you've been paying attention on my social media pages, that look, in April it's a month for stocks, and I'm telling you right now, Palantir is still at the lowest level. If you have something and you want to invest, this is the right time. All I can say is thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me see you in the next video. Peace.